Hello! Finally, a new month has begun. Which month is it now? September is gone. And now we are in October, which means winter is here, a new season. Exciting, right? Do I need to remind you about something again? Yes? Well, you keep forgetting. Let me tell you again. A new month means a new batch. Yes. So, you've got a hint about what I'm talking, right? Exactly. It is about the new ISL 1 month course. This will be the 22nd batch of our basic Indian Sign Language course. So apply right now and learn ISL. The new batch is starting from 15th October 2024. Wonderful! What will you learn in this course? I have already told you. You know about it. I'll tell you about it again in short. You will learn about deaf culture, sign language, communicating in signs, and more. It will be fun and you will learn a lot. Here are some details. Did you see? So all our deaf friends, do share this with your hearing friends and family. Who are interested in learning sign language. Apply right away. Don't waste your time or ignore this announcement. Enroll now quickly.